State President Barim ke National People's Party NPP Meghalaya ubadai pat MP Rajya Sabha bebenta naga jella Dr. WR Kharlukhi naga jingyo yak jingdawa ke sengsan hima Voice of the People Party bandon jing toket halor ke rukam penlong yak election MDC haka arpway terik rempang araja arpusan Sngewtynnad Hills Autonomous District Council JHADC ulaong baka VPP ke penpau Pyrshah yak Jingpyndonkam bormat ni muscle power Henry ke Sngewtynnad pat yaki kamle gang ni Gunda. Dak bapen pau bau don ki video ki baki dekat ka VPP ki lek tombor bat kawang mau ya ka yeng unang elam ka NPP hari lom jantia Dr. WR Kharlukhi dak bapen rap ya ka jingkran MLA ka NPP na jowai uba wailat miki shlab baka VPP ka shembala da job ya ka election tikadai ka bakhoj basuba lada om job pat kena badan jingle tu. Kini ke jingkan thok nau Dr. WR Kharlukhi ka long shisngi hadin baka Voice of the People Party ling bau Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon General Secretary kala pa jing tho show Chief Secretary ka jella bau Commissioner but Secretary ka Tanah District Council Affairs DCA haringkat ka jing dawa bandon jing toket bat jing penbait naga benta ka jing phil ka sarkar jella bat ki bor penya district hakaban penlong khoj bat suba hai ya ka election MDC JHADC ka bala long haka arpway terik rempang araja arpusan. Kumban syukadau baka VPP naka result election MDC Sngewtynnad Hills Autonomous District Council kabalapan benaha ka arpusaw tarik rempang arja arpusan kala job na pratali ki constituency. Ka party haga jingtho kalaong baswa ka sngi tap vote la yo jing tip baki don bon tali ki polling station ki balong don jing ma haga bala pa sithi sa ki district election officer ka West Sngewtynnad Hills but East Sngewtynnad Hills district haga khatsaw tarik rempang araja arpusan ban penbiang kilat jing yada hnrei kam don ka jing shimkhia. Kajing tho haba peteng kala kedau bah ka sngi tap vote kila don shibun ki Jingpyndonkam bakla bat jing tuklar ya ki baki officer ha ki polling station kimla ban lei namar ka jingbam don ki bor pahara bat ka ne ka khata ya ka kompanyat election ban long ka bet berhenti. Shu la kedau baka don ka jing tombor baka jing penpat ya ki electronic voting machine ha ki sautri ki polling station kata ha wapung score A bat wapung score B ki bahap ha musniang rangat MDC constituency bat ha batau A bat batau B ki bahap ha batau lakadong MDC constituency. Lakenok ru baki election agent ka VPP amsyam la syak bandrung ha ki polling station da ki Jingpyndonkam bormat ki badai na ki waipat ki sengsan hima ka Voice of the People Party kalaong bakala thoru ha ka tega sngi arpu wai tarik ban pen klan bor para naga benta ka jingtap vote piang ha ki polling station ha wapong skur ka balabu ban long ha ka arpu ar tarik rempang arja arpusan ringkat ki polling station ha batau. Dak bapen pa bakam don setia ka jingshim khia na kalyang gi bor sarkar ka party kalaong baka jingbom shim jingket khli ha ka por babiang kala penlong ya ka election ka bom khoj bom suba bat pen arta ten ya ki pat ba khlam da kadau ya ki jingmi ha ka sngi pen bana result.
I really pity them. Today I read in Shillong Times, I don't know anybody Shillong Times, oh yes, good. I read in Shillong Times that they said that they asking for a inquiry in their loss in Sngewtynnad Hills. So what light or MLA from July, he said that these people, when they're losing election, it is unfair. But when they win, it's okay. But the only thing I'll tell them, that I saw they came out and said that they lost because of muscle power. You know, I still have the video of what happened after the election, in which the house of our supporter was attacked, were pelting with stone, and I didn't see that these people who love the Jingpyndonkam, because these people whose house were pelted, destroyed by their mobs, they were also Jingtynnad people. They were Khasi Jingtynnad people. So I didn't see any condemnation from their leader who really loved the Jingpyndonkam. Okay, so what about? They said muscle power. What is this? This is nothing but Gundaism. So which means they are against muscle power but in favor of Gundaism.
Habatin, pej bahagi ki sharp plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki
balehi banai kita
ka don ka we ka jing mantoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha Jingpyndonkam daki mar ba modern ka sharp plus f menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya